Hi guys, it's TMS here. I'm here today to tell you the review of the Peztio dash camera 4K plan Wi-Fi. I recently did a unboxing and setting up. If you haven't seen that video, the link is in the description down below. You can go and click on that after this video and watch that. I'm going to give you all the information you need to know about this camera now. So here comes the review. Okay guys, let's talk about the setup from getting it out of the box and linking it to the phone. It was easy to do. It took me 1 minute to do that in total, where you just hit the third button on the camera and then hold it down for a bit, like 5 to 10 seconds, and it activates the Wi-Fi for you, and then you just link it to your phone, and you just use the app, what I'm going to show you now, and you can then download the footage from there. Okay guys, the picture quality of the cameras, I'm going to show you a picture now of the daytime and no one of the night time. This is all different times I did this while I was out and about going to clients' places. The quality of the daytime, you can tell the number plate registration. It's easy for people, you can't see the person here, but when I was going through the footage, I could tell people's places straight off from it. I think the daytime picture, I give that 5 stars. Nighttime footage, it's good to see all the cars on the street. You can still see clearly, so you don't have any issues with being blinded from the car coming towards you. So I think that's all good with that stuff. I'll give that night vision on that camera 5 stars. Okay, what would benefit this unit? What I would say is if they have a unit you can have with it what picks up that Wi-Fi and link it to the network, and you can have it a Dropbox or OneDrive, meaning it tells the camera download the footage to that unit and send it to the OneDrive. Because I do have one problem with this, because to get the footage when it's cold, you have to stay in the truck for like around 2 to 5 minutes downloading the footage, and it's like a bit painful to get this card out. So, and it means taking the camera off, bringing it in, and you have to have a card reader to read that if you don't want to be out in the cold. So that's one thing I would say, what may benefit, what be a plus for this camera. If they had a unit what could do that. Okay, this unit out in full, I'll give the whole unit in total a the TMS mark in 5, and I would recommend this to colleagues, family members to get on the car, because it helps with loads of stuff for a fact. So I'll give you a link to, if you want to buy one, in the description below, and you can click on that link and you can buy yourself a same camera as the TMS in your car. Okay, since I had this and the camera's been great, I've really caught some bad drive-ins on here. I've got one figure what I want to show people, but I'm not going to say what it is. And that's going to be a surprise video. I'm going to put it up on my YouTube channel on a random day. So keep an eye out for that video. Just say it's someone who went in the bad place to stop the car. So keep an eye on for that. I want to say thanks for watching the TMS review video. I'll see you guys on the next video. Hi guys, it's TMS. I want to say thanks for watching the TMS review video. Keep your eye out for more reviews on items and places from the TMS. And I'll see you guys on the next video.